Hello everyone.
Welcome to our session of CodersTrust, the free session. Hopefully, you are doing great in your rant. And sorry for some delay for starting. Today's topic is about creating a photo gallery without using any other jQuery library. Uh, just we will use the basic jQuery library. So we will not use any other plugin. So hopefully, you will be here at the end. Well, before starting my session, I just want to ensure that you are watching my screen, and I want to show some settings here because the who are in the first time in the session may face the problem in the streaming of the my screen. Okay, so the settings is here. Just click on the settings icon and click on the quality option, and you will see many options. So it is highly recommended to use 360 or 480, one of them. Otherwise, if your quality option is selected to 144 or 240, in that case, actually, you will not see my screen properly. You can see it is blur, and you cannot understand my code also. Hopefully, you will set these settings properly. If you have any problem, you just can comment to the session. If you are logged in with your Gmail account, you can easily comment here. Hopefully, I will check your comment in the real interval. So if you have any problem, I will just try to fix it out. Okay, so let's start. So our topic is design a gallery using the UL. That means you know that you are just not making a list of another list. It can be used for making navigation. It can be used for making table, price table. It can be used for uh, making the gallery, photo gallery. So we use this UL for creating photo gallery, and later just we'll make it a little bit dynamic using jQuery basic library, not other plugin. Okay, let's see how we'll do it actually. Well, so for first step, just we're creating a UL, and we can give that my gallery. Just I'm giving a name, and within the gallery there will be some item. You can say that gallery item actually. So in the gallery item, I'll just keep some images. I have already some images as demo in my images folder. So you can keep like that. And I'm just copying here. So there are several images. So I'm just using those all. And I'm just copying so that actually it's, it's like gallery. Okay. So let's see how it looks now. You can see some, yeah, it's just a list of the images, nothing else. So we'll make it more attractive so that it can be shown as actually gallery. Well, so go for the CSS part now. So I'm just writing here. For my gallery, I'll remove the default list type. That means the dot. I will make it none. I'm also giving some weight to the total gallery. So I'm just giving it 1200 pixel, and I'm also giving some margin 0. That means it is will be the center of the screen. So margin 0 auto. Okay. And for the item of this gallery, that means the LI. So I'm just making it float left so that all of the items are actually counts in the one line. not the all items. That means the items actually should be like 3, 4, whatever. And I'm also making the width like 300 pixel. Okay, and for the okay, I'm just it's a mistake of the spelling. Okay, so for the image, I'm also giving some fixed height and width so that color shows the same and the design looks good. So we can get the with 100%. The 100% means the total of this is parent li. So li is now 300 pixel. So it will get actually 300, and we can give the height like 200 pixel, and between each list item we can give some margin right like 80 pixel, and also we can give some border around the image, so like 5 pixels solid into gray, like gray color border. So let's see now how it turns to. Yeah, it's now better. So you can see this gallery is now perfect. Also, we can make one more so that the third row actually fill up with it. Okay, and we can also increase the height. That means uh, the row is row, so we can make it like margin right 80. So it will be margin top. So we can give the margin actually the same here, like 80 pixel and 80 pixel for the top. Sorry, 80 pixel for the right, 0 pixel for the top, 80 pixel for the bottom, and 0 for the left. Okay. Okay, and well, I think 80 would be perfect. It is actually very large, so you can make it 30 actually, only 30, and we can make it's actually 4 in a row, so we can make 200 width, and the height can be 150. So I think it would be, yeah, it is now 5 actually, not 4. So we can make it, can keep it for 5. We can just make another. Okay. Also, it's the perfect gallery. We could like come in. Now it is the main gallery, so we can keep another big image. So it is more like gallery. So what we will do, just taking an image, you can give the class big image, and you can keep the search first one here. Okay, for big image, you can write some CSS like that. Okay, so the image will be with 1200 pixel. Height will be like 400 pixel. So it will be stay on the top. Okay, 1200 is very big here, so you can just keep it 900 and some margin 0 auto. Okay. Well, the margin 0 auto actually will not work for the image, so we can just make margin left here. like 250 pixel. Yes, so I can increase it like so. Just I'm debugging it so that I can adjust it here properly with my browser. So I'm just using a plug add-ons, which name is Firebug for Firefox browser, so you can use it. It's very helpful for debugging your code. Okay, so can make it like 93 pixel, and can give the width like 1000, 1200, 1100. Okay, so that's perfect. So 11, just I'm copying the value and putting it here. And for the margin left, it will be 94 or 93. Yeah, it is 93 now. Okay, so it's perfect. Well, the gallery is created and the big image is here. So what we will do now, just clicking any of this image, the big image will be changed to this related image. That means the clicked image. So just it will look like a plugin as our gallery. So let me check any if you have any comment here. Okay, no comment. Hopefully you are watching without problem. Well, so now we'll go for the jQuery part. I've already included the jQuery library, jQuery min.js. You can easily download from the official website of jQuery. Now I will do some jQuery code. Okay, so I'm just writing this down. Down means the whole HTML file or down. Ready and function. Okay, so when it is ready, I will do something. Click on this image. So we have to track it like that. Dollar sign. The class is my gallery. And this one. So just for perfection, I'm just copying the word and click. So what will happen? What will happen? Like we take the change the well. Click on this. Not actually click on gallery. It will be li like that li and img. That means click on image. It will be changed. First one, we have to take the value like that. I am the source of this. That means the clicker element dot attribute. Sorry, it can be just yeah attribute sort src. Okay. After taking this attribute, what we will do? We'll just set this value to this big image. That means this one. So we have the browse. Just taking the browse and set the attribute source is to the img source. That means when the image is clicked, then the value of this source is the in the variable name img src, and this value is set to the big image source. That means this source, the big image attribute source, is now the value of this clicking event. Clicking image. So let's see how it will happen. Okay, so I'm just clicking, not working. So There is some problem here. Let me check this. Any other debugging problem here? Yes, there is a jQuery file line 11. So line 11, yeah, it will complete the false breaking. Okay, let me check here now. Nowhere, so it's working. Yes, I'm just clicking and the image path is changing here. So now it is actually live. Yeah. So you can see this slide is a photo gallery. We can make it more fancy like that using some. Well, we'll hide it this big image. Then we'll show for just hide for world. So the big image, height. That means it will be hidden for a while. And after changing the source, we'll show it again, but we'll do some fancy effect like that. Fading slow. That means it will be slowly fading. Let's check how it will happen. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. So you can see this simply here. Yeah. So it's all about actual photo gallery now. And moreover, you can make the cursor change so that it's like clickable. So we can make this image cursor to the pointer so that it looks more likely that it can be clickable. Yes, now it should be clickable here. And we can use some other effect instead of the fading. So we can use like slide down. Let's see how it works now. Yes, though it's not, it is very much fancy. It is so fading is perfect, I think. Okay, whatever you want, such you can use. There are a lot of things to do with the decor here. It's interesting and stuff you can use. So it's perfect. Well, so it's about our utilization, just making a list and using the ly ulli list and makes some photo gallery style a big image, and when clicking on the image the source is changing and it shows with some fancy effect. Hopefully you have enjoyed today's session. If you have any question regarding today's session you can ask. I'm here with you for a few minutes more, then I end today's session. Meanwhile, I just want to show something about CodersTrust. Actually, what is about the CodersTrust doing? CodersTrust basically working for the skill development, for IT skill development, to work in the global marketplace. There are some outstanding courses. You can check the website for details. And it is working in many countries like Bangladesh, India, Kenya, Bhutan, Malaysia, Kosovo. So there are a lot of countries adding day by day, and it's not working for only skill development. It's also trying to ensure that after develop the skill, the students can earn from the global marketplace. So it is trying to prepare to compete with the international programmers, coders, so that they can earn money using your skill. So it has some other initialized also that it can support from the beginning in the work in the marketplace. So because the newcomer cannot understand what to do in the at the beginning of the marketplace, how to handle a client, how to take project, and how to write a good proposal, and how to make portfolio that attracts the client. So there is a lot of things to be cared. So all this stuff actually will be taken care by the CodersTrust if the students complete their course. successfully here in the CodersTrust. So hopefully, who are just want to get a guideline, complete guideline, and have the patience to uh, get skilled in this field, I think CodersTrust would be best choice for this moment. Hopefully, you'll enjoy this journey to the CodersTrust. Well, I'll complete the session, and who will join later, don't worry, you can just check the video in the same URL. When I will end the session, you will see the total recorded version of the tourist session, so you can replay and see the whole session again. Hopefully, you will continue uh, this session of the Cooler Trust free session. It is actually Sunday to Thursday, and I'm trying to do something new every class, and as possible that HTML, CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap. So the tricks from my experience. So hopefully it will be helpful over the new. Well, so best wishes for you will be. Uh, I think we can do the class next class. Hopefully I will be able here. So take care. Bye. Good night.